Introducing the stylish and feature-packed 2025 Peugeot 3008 Allure in sleek grey. With just 20,000 miles on the clock, this hatchback boasts a 1.2-litre petrol engine and automatic transmission for a smooth ride. Equipped with a range of comfort, safety and styling features, including satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking and privacy glass. Rest assured with ABS, multiple airbags and a full security package. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit our website, Joe Norris Motors, for more information.